Let me share with the topic how dietary nucleotides support the immunity and regeneration of the body. First, IMUREGEN is a trade name representing two key words, which are immunity and regeneration. Second, IMUREGEN has dietary ingredients that support the central dogma of our life. The central dogma of life is responsible for the creation of all the protein molecules of our body that will support body immunity and regeneration. For example, if we need antibodies to fight bacteria, viruses, protozoans, fungus and parasites, the central dogma will do it for us. If we need to repair wound healing, repair or regenerate the microvilli of our intestines, it is the central dogma of life that will do it. And most importantly, the central dogma of life will be able to function effectively if it is supported with nucleotides for its DNA and RNA, and the 20 amino acids to finally create the protein needed. IMUREGEN has these dietary ingredients, therefore support our immunity and regeneration.